The next product of our company is iGlow. iGlow is, as you all know, that iGlow is one of the important products that we have in the skin segment of Indus Viva. So when the skin paradigm of Indus Viva is concerned, iGlow is the most important product that we have. So iGlow is actually called as first of its kind consumable product in India. iGlow is not a cosmetic product. It is a consumable product in India which will take care of your skin from inside out. That is what we call. So which means that it is not a topical cosmetic, it is an internal cosmetic. So to be proud of ourselves, we are the first company to launch such an internal cosmetic in India. What is iGlow meant for basically? So what is beauty? So beauty is not something which is seen on the face. Beauty is something which is beneath and beyond your skin. That is what is exactly called as beauty. And such beauty is undeniable. To be simpler, to be telling in simpler terms, whenever a person's skin is absolutely healthy, such a person is called as a beautiful person. That is what is exactly called as beauty. Even in India, the beauty and wellness market has reached peaks. Why I'm telling you this is, post the coronavirus lockdown as well, we are using a lot of sanitizers. We are using a lot of sanitizers. Sanitizers contain a lot of alcohol, spirit, and such elements. So whenever you are rubbing your hands, such elements can cause dryness of the skin. The ultimate cause of a skin disease is either drying skin or excessively oily skin. These are the two major reasons for skin diseases in the body. So, but still the government has laid the guidelines and we have to follow these guidelines until the coronavirus disappears. But still, our skin is actually getting dried day by day. So this can actually cause a lot of skin issues in the future days. That is the reason why I am telling you this is consume iGlow on a regular basis and suggest iGlow to the other people as well so that their skin health is maintained on a regular basis, my dear friends. So going ahead, as I was telling you, iGlow is actually classified as an internal cosmetic or a nutri-cosmetic product. In fact, the nutri-cosmetic products are the products which can take care of your skin, nails, and hair. But at Indus Viva, we are concentrating only on the skin health, not on the nail health or the hair health. So please don't use this product for maintaining the hair or the nail health. So in fact, to be in simpler words, addition of nutrition plus herbal extracts is equal to nutri-cosmetics. That is what is exactly called as nutri-cosmetics, my dear friends. The major ingredient which is present in iGlow is called as kesar, otherwise called as saffron, which is sourced from the Kashmir Valley, the world's best known source of saffron. In fact, saffron is the most expensive fragrant spice that is there on the planet. In fact, saffron is a major ingredient which is present in the product iGlow. It is known for nurturing the skin, moisturizing, making it blemish-free and radiant. It is documented in the traditional textbooks of Ayurveda dating back to 5,000 years. It has amazing antibacterial and anti-inflammatory qualities. It also has healing properties. All these things put together, saffron is a wonderful ingredient. It also contains the natural plant collagen, which can diminish the appearance of skin dullness and dark spots. It also has the goodness of the grapeseed extract, which will hydrate your skin or moisturize your skin, giving you a radiant complexion. It also contains a wonderful element called as the resveratrol. It also contains the goodness of kojic acid, which is a natural acid derived from the seaweeds. We are not synthetically using it. We are using the natural kojic acid from the seaweeds. It reduces the dark spots and maintains the skin health. It also contains the goodness of licorice extract, known for reducing the dark spots and reduce excess oil in the skin. Dryness is one part of it. Excess oiliness is the other part of it. Reducing the oiliness also plays a very important role in maintaining the skin health. It also contains the goodness of lutein extract, which is derived from the marigold flowers, which improves the skin hydration or the moisturization and elasticity. It finally contains the natural coenzyme Q10, which is derived from the seaweeds again, which provides the energy to the skin. So the energy of the body is different, energy to the skin is different. Normally people look energized, they feel energized, but is your skin full with energy or full with energy? It is absolutely not. To give energy to the skin, CoQ10 plays a very important role. So these are all the ingredients which are present in this wonderful product called as iGlow. What are the benefits of iGlow? A major benefit is skin lightening. It also results in anti-aging, anti-wrinkle, moisturizes the skin, reduces the dark spots, reduces the blemishes, gives you a radiant complexion. It prevents the skin damage control. It rejuvenates the entire skin, not only to the face. It also helps in doing the liver detoxification. Once the liver detoxification is done, it also helps in purifying the blood. So whenever the purified blood is circulating in the capillaries beneath your skin, ultimately the skin health is also maintained, my dear friends. I hope my points are clear to everybody. Eye glow can be given for all the skin types, for oily skin, for dry skin, for combination skin, for light tone, for dark tone, for everybody, for kids as well. For children, it should always be given above 6 years of age, not below 6 years of age. For best results, please use 1 to 2 eye glow sachets per day, 15 minutes after the food. It can be consumed safely for longer duration and well tolerated. It can be used along with the other medications as well. And you don't have to stop the other cosmetics also. You should not ask the customers or your distributors to stop the other cosmetics and please use this. No, let them continue with their medications and cosmetics. And this can be given as an adjuvant or a supplement in order to take care of the skin health. I hope my points are clear to everybody, my dear friends.